We've introduced the Advanced Machining module that can be purchased as an add-on for Cut2D Pro, VCarve Pro and Aspire. This is the first phase of the module and is designed for the professional shop user who needs an ideal solution for processing cabinet files from third-party packages, for users with specialised drill bank hardware that can take advantage of the new drill bank toolpath, and for those that manage toolware can utilise post-processors that support cutter compensation for profiling. So let's take a look at each one in a little more detail. We've introduced the new import Cabinet Cutlist that is designed to streamline workflows for anyone using third-party cabinet design packages such as KCDE, Mozaik, Cabinet Sense and Cabinet Parts Pro, as well as the ability for you to define a custom mapping for other cabinetry design packages. The new Cabinet Cutlist processor offers a flexible wizard-style workflow that allows you to import Cutlist CSV files and DXF parts with a helpful feature that part creates your template for you with all the correctly named sheets that includes their material properties and layers that were used in your cabinetry software to ensure for a seamless import of all your part files. With your template created, you just need to assign your toolpaths using the automatic vector selector option, where you associate the toolpaths to the layers along with your nesting settings, and when your template has been created, it's a case of build once and reuse often. You can go back into the cabinet importer and load in your parts using your newly created template, where the software will automatically nest the parts and assign toolpaths all in a single step. We've added a new option to generate part labels, designed especially for shops that machine multiple components requiring assembly. This feature will create a label in the form of a bitmap, further positioned on each part, allowing users to print and manually apply them to the corresponding pieces after machining. You can select from a variety of industry standard label sizes and incorporate scannable code formats including QR codes, barcodes and data matrix codes, allowing for a streamlined scanning workflow for fast and reliable part identification. For cabinet makers and shops working with third-party design software, this is a game changer. Instead of juggling folders and manually nesting, you can now go from import to fully tooled nested CNC files with a few clicks, saving time, reducing errors and maximising efficiency. We've introduced drill bank support as part of our new advanced machining module. For those in the cabinetry world, a drill bank is a pneumatically operated array of drills that can plunge multiple holes at once, all set to a common pitch. This highly desirable add-on is now fully integrated into our toolpath strategies. The new drill bank option is similar to the standard drilling strategy, but designed specifically for drill banks, where we've included a new drill bank tool type in the tool database with full configuration options. You can define your drill bank setup, including the number of drills, horizontal, vertical arrangement, pitch spacing, and the reference drill position to match that of your drill bank. Upon calculation, the toolpath identifies the most efficient way to apply your drill pattern, reducing the number of plunges required. In the toolpath preview, you can visualize how the drill bank extends and maximizes hole patterns in a single plunge. This enhancement means fewer plunges, faster machining and more efficient hole patterns, all seamlessly integrated into the advanced machining workflow. We're excited to share that our post-processor now supports cutter compensation for profiling. This feature is especially valuable for businesses that track tool wear and tear, use fixed standard tool sets with tool changes, and those that rely on the controller to correct for slight mismatches in tool diameter. With this update, cutter compensation can be applied directly through the advanced machining module when performing profiling operations, giving you greater accuracy and flexibility in managing tool variations that's all managed through the post-processor. To learn more about this module and to download the free trial, head over to Vectric.com, where you can read everything there is to know and watch the dedicated advanced machining module tutorials. To purchase the module, you can do that from your V&Co account. Thank you for watching.